Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today, as you can see, this is my better than takeout special fried rice. It's absolutely delicious. So guys, do come along with me and let's do this. As you can see, it's lovely. If you are new here guys, you are welcome. This is where we do lovely recipes. It's absolutely delicious and very flavorful. Come and let's do this. So guys, first of all, I need to cook the rice. So I put that in the rice cooker, adding some salt. Okay, I'm using jasmine rice, and also I'm adding some curry powder and some cumin and some aniseed and a lovely chicken stock. Okay, yeah, it tastes absolutely delicious. So I'll put that into the rice cooker and cook this nicely. Okay, and then we'll get on from there. So guys, let's start our fried rice. I have my oil in the pan and I have my bay leaf in there. Yes, just to flavor the oil. I tell you, it makes it taste really nice. Okay, so yeah, I'll allow it to cook a little bit and then I'm going to just add my chicken, and this is just spiced chicken. Okay, that's chicken thighs and it's very flavorful. I'm not using the chicken breast. I want this to just fry and cook nicely. Okay, oh my goodness, it smells absolutely delicious. Guys, you have to try this recipe. It's lovely. So guys, my chicken is cooking nicely. Lovely. So as you can see, it's browned nicely, so I'm going to take that out. So guys, I'm frying my beef now. Okay, I've added some black pepper to it as well. Okay, it smells really delicious. Okay, I'm just cooking that quickly. It doesn't take long to cook. Okay, as you can see, it's cooked nicely. And also I'm going to add some shrimps to it. This is a special fried rice, I tell you. It's lovely. I have to try this recipe. Yes, to flavor it, I'm adding some ginger and garlic cubes. Okay, this ginger and garlic cubes is really good. I use that all the time. It's just like fresh ginger and garlic. It smells so good. All right, so I'll just cook this nicely. And also I want to add my chicken as well so that it gets that flavor as well. And mix it together nicely, and then I'll just have to take it out and then start frying my fried rice. Yes, I have the oil. I want to flavor the oil with some curry powder, some cumin, okay, and a little bit of aniseed. Oh yeah, I love flavoring my oil because it takes your food to another level. I tell you, I'll put all of my spices down below. So the next bit is to just add my onions. This is my fried onions. Okay, and I'm going to fry this really so that I'll get all the sweetness coming through. I tell you, it's absolutely delicious. I'm adding my carrots as well. Okay, yeah, but the vegetables is up to your preference. All right, but I like adding these because it makes it really taste lovely. And I'm adding my green peas. I always love green peas and carrots together. Okay, my kids love it, so that's why I normally add to it. Okay, yeah, to make it colorful. So I'm adding my protein. Okay, this is so flavorful. I'm telling you guys, you have to try this recipe. It's so good, and it smells absolutely delicious. Right guys, so I'm going to add my spring onions. Oh my goodness, spring onions also make it taste absolutely delicious. You know, you have to add that as well. Oh, it smells so good. I'm adding some sesame oil. Okay, the sesame oil also gives a lovely taste. And also my stir fry sauce is mostly oyster sauce and some spices. Okay, you have to add it to your fried rice. It makes it taste so nice. Right, So it smells so good, so good, guys. I'm going to add my flavorful rice. As you know, I use my own chicken stock and it tastes so good. It tastes lovely. I'll just mix it nicely with my rice, and my, this is really flavorful. Just want to say thank you to all my subscribers and everyone who has been watching my videos. I'm so grateful. Thank you very much. May God richly bless you. So lastly, I'm adding my soy sauce. Okay, this is no preservative soy sauce, and it tastes absolutely delicious. That's why I use it. Oh my goodness, it smells so good, and it adds a lovely taste to your fried rice as well. There's a reason why we add soy sauce. I'm telling you, it takes it to another level. Okay, it smells so good. Just look at that. It smells absolutely delicious. Yeah, so guys, we've finished with our special fried rice. It's better than takeout, okay? And it's absolutely delicious. It's lovely, and you have to try this recipe. So guys, if you like this recipe, do give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, okay? And do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.